For step-by-step instructions and pictures, visit Rav4Gen5.com. This is the 2020 Toyota Rav4 Adventure. Today, we're going to tint our fog lights. It'll give it a beast look during the day. This is compatible with all trims of the 5th generation Rav4 that have fog lights. Depending on your trim, your fog lights might look different, but the instructions should be consistent. Remember, you can see a full detailed guide at Rav4Gen5.com for this and more. The plan is to remove this cover, and if possible, we'll apply the film without taking the lamp out. Otherwise, we have more work to do. To remove the cover, there are 7 tabs that need to be pressed. It is in a tight area, but that's what you have to do. Here are the locations of where the tabs are. Most of them you press inwards. The lamp is 3.5 inches, so we'll cut our film slightly larger than that. Okay, this isn't going to work, so we're going to have to go ahead and remove this entire lamp. Turns out that the lamp is held in place by 2 Phillips screws. It's in a tight area, so you'll need to use some small tools to get in there. I'll link the tools that I use in the description. Here are the 2 screws. To unplug the lamp, press on this tab and pull it out. Here's the lamp out of the Rav4. This spot here is actually how to adjust the angle of the fog lights. You'll need a special tool to adjust it from the front if it were installed on the vehicle. But while it's outside, you can use a Phillips screwdriver to make the lamp go up and down. We will apply the film, then heat shrink it to make sure it's tightly on. This is what the final looks like. Very nice. Overall, I felt it was a pain to add 1 layer, so I'm not going to add any additional layers. The next step we'll want to do is replace the bulbs. We're going to install 3000K LEDs. This is a yellow light that will complement really well the yellow tint that we added. Here's the bulb back in place without the cover. It looks like one of those cyborgs in the movies. And there you have it, a beast looking Rav4 day and night. For step-by-step instructions and pictures, visit Rav4Gen5.com.